Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and two-factor authentication. This secures sync. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug your iPhone into power if you have hundreds of contacts. Now go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, and toggle Contacts on. This tells iCloud to store and merge your address book. Once done, the device prepares to upload local contacts. Wait a few minutes for initial processing before moving on. Once Contacts is toggled on, you may be asked whether to merge. Choose Merge to combine local entries with iCloud copies. This preserves data. After syncing, open the Contacts app and scan for duplicates. Use the Edit button to merge or clean up entries manually. Also, go to Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Default Account, and set iCloud as the default, so new contacts are saved to iCloud automatically. Make sure changes appear on another Apple device to confirm successful sync. To finish, verify that all contacts show up on iCloud. Com and your other devices. If something lags, force a sync by toggling contacts off then on, or sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. If contacts are missing, inspect iCloud storage and backups in Settings to confirm recent uploads. As a final step, restore from an iCloud backup if needed. If problems persist, contact Apple support. Account is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.